everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my soap making video. It's been a while and I apologize for the long absence. I've been very busy gearing up for the whole craft show market. Like the whole production month is like before the fall season, so it's been overly I guess I signed on one too many shows, so I got a lot of stuff going on. I've been really meaning to do videos, just haven't had a chance to really like jump on it and do the editing and everything. So I'm trying to get back to it a little bit. This time we are actually making a batch of very pretty pink color soap. This is going to be the rose quartz soap, because it's going to be a gemstone inspired soap. So we are using Bamboo Berry's rose quartz fragrance. I love this one. It's it have a little bit of sweetness and a very delicate, elegant sense. I love this one. And we are gonna be doing it with we're in the tall and skinny mold. So here's my tall and skinny mold that I have, two of these. And just so you see how my process work, I randomly draw out these little note cards, and I have a little jar of to do soap designs, and then I go through it and pick out what I actually want to do. So this is the rough sketch of rose quartz that been on my mind for like a few months now, not over yet. So this, and so it's gonna have little gemstone on top that I pre-made with some milk and pour, and then it's gonna be like a layer between the pink and the blue. So we'll see how it go. I'm not very good with following my own direction sometimes, so we're doing this. And the little stones, gemstone I put on top, I already make them. These are my rose quartz gemstones. See, I make these out of a mold that it was so hard to get it out of that I end up destroying the mold. So it's a one-time use mold. Very interesting. So this, and then these little ones I actually these are the ones that I cut up freestyle. So it's kind of these. So it's kind of interesting. They're like two different type of process. Two different processes of going on making these little gemstone soap. So what these gonna do is just gonna be stick on top, coming out of the top of the mold. And the one that I make freestyle, I kind of like pour them into this little cupcake mold, and then I pop them out, and then I cut them into smaller pieces. So these are all the little tiny bits and pieces I got out of it, and I don't want to waste them. So these are actually going to go into one of the layer, maybe the middle pink layer that you see going on is going to have this little bit of pink coming out. So a little bit of the gemstone in the middle of the whole soap. So this is this. It's gonna be exciting. And I already talked about the fragrance. This is the rose quartz from Bamboo Berry. And color wise, we're gonna be using between the blue and the pink. This is my first time trying this in soap. This is from Muddy Micas. I recently discovered them in the last soap conference I went to. Super friendly people running that place. And they're a Texas company, and I am in Texas. And so this is their micas, and this is the Cabana Cuties. This color is super cute. And the colors is very bright and vibrant, if you can see it. I'm sure, well, once you go into the soap, it's gonna get toned down a lot more, obviously. So I don't need it this bright anyway. So it's good to go over and then watch it come down a little bit. So I'm excited to use this color. I kind of have a pop of that almost neon-ish color going on there. So, and it also looks beautiful in like many other things. You could use it for other product too. So that's that. And then the blue today, I'm using the Key West blue from Mad Oil or Mad Micas, and their blues is once again always beautiful also. So also one of my go-to color. So this is a beautiful blue, and the most important thing with using blue obviously is titanium dioxide. So this is titanium dioxide already in a water bottle. This is my, just my regular water. I have a little bit of water, and then I put my titanium dioxide, and then I mix it up. So this is on standby. So make sure that this go into your soap mixture batter before you add the blue. Otherwise you're gonna get green, unless you want green. That's just fine. Okay, so here we go. Here's all the color. It should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully I could follow my own instruction. So that's about it for this whole batch. So let's make some soap.